This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to your KDP account, a common question for independent publishers. While KDP does not offer direct payments to PayPal, there's a straightforward and widely adopted method to achieve this. You can easily set up an intermediary service to ensure your royalties eventually reach your PayPal wallet. This process is secure, efficient, and used by thousands of authors worldwide to manage their international payments. The first step is to establish a virtual bank account through a reputable service such as Payoneer or Wise. These platforms are excellent for international transactions, offering local bank details for countries like the United States. You will be provided with a unique bank account number and a routing number, which are essential for receiving funds. Many authors prefer these services for their low fees and ease of use in managing global payments. Once your virtual bank account is active, log in to your KDP account and find the Payment Information section. Choose to add a new bank account for your royalty payments. Here, you will input the United States bank details that Payoneer or Wise gave you, including the account number and routing number. Double-check every digit for accuracy, as any error could delay your payouts. KDP will verify these details to ensure secure transfers. With your virtual bank account linked, KDP will send your royalty payments there, typically once a month. When funds arrive, log into your Payoneer or Wise account dashboard. You will then have the option to easily transfer that balance to your personal PayPal account. This seamless two-step process ensures your KDP earnings reach your PayPal, providing a flexible and convenient way to manage your publishing income from anywhere in the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.